In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about 10 things that will save you a lot of money. Starting with number 1, and that is creating a budget. If you haven't created a budget yet, I suggest you go and do one. This is a must for keeping all your finances on track. Number 2 on my list is switching your food shopping to online. I find that shopping online saves me a lot of money. It allows you to get everything you need, know exactly how much you're paying before you get to the checkout, and if you do happen to spend over what you've budgeted, mine's $150, then you can start removing things from your cart that may not be as necessary or can wait until your next week's shop. Number 3, and this is takeaway food. If you spend just $10 per day, 5 days a week, you are spending over $2,500 a year. That is a lot of money, guys. It's easy to pack a lunch. Well, maybe not easy, but when you're looking at them numbers, it's motivating to pack your lunch. In my next video, I'm going to be creating some budget meal ideas, and I'll also be allowing for bulk meals like tuna mornay spaghetti. You can take them to work, guys. Heat them up, 50 cents. Rather than paying $10, $15 for one lunch. Come on. Number 4, the good old mobile phone plan. For so many years, I was on a Telstra plan paying $99 a month, and I think nowadays they're about $150 a month for your phone and your unlimited deal. Since then, I have switched to prepaid, which I thought I would never do, but I'm still with Telstra at the moment. Prepaid, $150 every 6 months. I never use all the data. I have discovered that Woolworths Mobile has a even better deal. It's only $200 for the whole year, which is crazy. $16.67 a month. That gives you 150 gig for the whole year and all your unlimited calls, texts and all that as well. Plus, you can get 10% off your shopping. Another $50 a month value. That's crazy. I am definitely switching. That is so awesome. Next up is your subscriptions. I think everyone's guilty of this. We all have them subscriptions that we join and then we forget about. We no longer watch the Stan, or we no longer go to the gym, and it's just money being wasted. Just keep track of what you're subscribed to and delete all unnecessary subscriptions that you no longer use, and it will save you a ton of money. Next up on the list is alcohol. Until you start doing a budget, you really don't realise how much alcohol is costing you each week. Look at them numbers, $20 a week, and some people sit at the bar and spend way more than $20 a week. Number 7 is haircuts and colours. This is a little embarrassing, but I haven't had a haircut from a professional hairdresser for over a year. And the last time I did, it cost $8 and it was in Bali. Now, I'm not saying you should never get your hair cut because we all want to look a little bit respectable now and then. But like at one stage there, I was trying to go light. So I was getting my hair lightened and I had to go every 6 or so weeks to have that done. Now that alone cost me $300 in 2 visits. And I ended up going back dark anyway. So it was really a waste of money. So what I am saying is just get it when it's needed, but don't go and waste your money on getting your hair coloured when you can buy a box dye for $15. And honestly, it looks the same. No one can say, oh, she had a box hair colour and oh, she's been to the salon. You cannot tell if you're going one colour. It all looks the same. Same with nails. People getting their nails done and getting them refilled every 4 weeks. What a waste of money. Anyway, each to their own. Number 8, buying gifts. This is something you can save on throughout the year by seeing them specials as you're walking through the shops and thinking of someone and grabbing the gift then while it's on sale, rather than waiting to the last minute and then having to pay top dollar for the gifts. Number 9, I've got gym memberships. I sort of touched on this under subscriptions, but you would not believe the amount of people that join a gym and don't go. And do you know the average gym membership is $720 a year? $720. That's great if you're there 3 times a week, pumping 9. But if you've joined up because you had this motivation in January for your New Year's resolution and then haven't been since February, you need to cancel it. Number 10, car and personal loans. Well, need I not say anything? 21% interest on a personal loan. If you need a car, or you need a new lounge, or you need a new fridge, save. Just save until you can afford to get what you need. Now, you don't need to be driving a $40,000 car. I had a $3,500 car do me quite well for many, many years. If you stuck around this long to the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you and give you a bonus tip, and that is to start selling all your unwanted stuff online through eBay Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. I've been selling on eBay for quite a while now, and I have made a fair bit of money actually. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.